morning. This is Anjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Viewers, my students, today we are going to view the use of where. Where is an interrogative adjective. It is commonly used in speaking, and there are many more phrases and sentences which are constructed with the help of where. Let's view a few phrases constructed with the help of where. Let's read them out behind on the whiteboard. Guys, girls, my students, आइए आज हम where का इस्तेमाल देखते हैं और where से इंग्लिश बोलचाल में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस, क्वेश्चनरी स्टेटमेंट्स, क्वेश्चनरी phrases और क्वेश्चनरी टेंसेस बनाए जाते हैं. Let's see these phrases and sentences, how they are constructed with the help of where, and make a practice to memorize these phrases and sentences. Let's look up here. The first one is where Jimmy is studying. Where Jimmy is studying. Where Jimmy is studying. Jimmy कहाँ मुतालिया कर रहा है. Where Jimmy is studying. Where Jimmy is studying. Jimmy कहाँ मुतालिया कर रहा है. Where Jimmy is studying. Where Jimmy is studying. Jimmy कहाँ मुतालिया कर रहा है. Where Jimmy is studying. Jimmy कहाँ मुतालिया कर रहा है. Where Jimmy is studying. Where Jimmy is studying. Answer may be Jimmy is studying at Oxford. Jimmy is studying at Cambridge. Jimmy is studying at Cambridge. Jimmy is studying at Oxford. Jimmy is studying at Oxford. Jimmy is studying at Cambridge. So there may be so many other answers for this query and question. Where Jimmy is studying. Where Jimmy is studying. Where Jimmy is studying. Jimmy कहाँ मुतालिया कर रहा है. Let's see the next question, next query. You see next one is where Annie is drilling. Where Annie is drilling. Where Annie is drilling. Where Annie is drilling. Annie कहाँ वर्जिश कर रही है. Where Annie is drilling. Where Annie is drilling. Where Annie is drilling. Annie कहाँ वर्जिश कर रही है. Where Annie is drilling. Where Annie is drilling. Where Annie is drilling. Annie कहाँ वर्जिश कर रही है. Where Annie is drilling. Possible answers may be Annie is drilling in the plane. Annie is drilling in the plane. Annie is drilling in the plane. Annie is drilling at mountains. Annie is drilling at mountains. Annie is drilling at mountain. Annie is drilling at mountains. Annie is drilling at mountains. Annie is drilling at plane. Annie is drilling in plane. Let's see the next query with where. You see the next one is where Naila is hiding. Where Naila is hiding. Where Naila is hiding. Naila कहाँ छुप रही है. Where Naila is hiding. Where Naila is hiding. Where Naila is hiding. Naila कहाँ छुप रही है. Where Naila is hiding. Naila कहाँ छुप रही है. Where Naila is hiding. Where Naila is hiding. Naila कहाँ छुप रही है. Possible answers may be Naila is hiding behind trees. Naila is hiding behind trees. Naila is hiding behind trees. Naila is hiding behind flowers. Naila is hiding behind flowers. Naila is hiding behind trees. Naila is hiding behind flowers. Naila is hiding behind trees. Naila दरख्तों के पीछे छुप रही है. Naila is hiding behind flowers. Naila फूलों के पीछे छुप रही है. Naila is hiding behind door. Naila is hiding behind door. Naila दरवाजे के पीछे छुप रही है. There may be so many answers also. Let's see the next phrase constructed with the where. Let's query. Next one is where Kelly is singing. 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 Kelly कहाँ गाना गा रही है. Where Kelly is singing. Where Kelly is singing. Kelly कहाँ गाना गा रही है. Where Kelly is singing. Where Kelly is singing. Kelly कहाँ गाना गा रही है. Where Kelly is singing. Where Kelly is singing. Possible answer may be Kelly is singing. Kelly is singing at a radio station. Kelly is singing at TV station. Kelly is singing at TV station. Kelly is singing at radio station. Kelly is singing at TV station. Let's see the next query with where. Next question देखिए. Where से where Mary is shopping. 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 Mary कहाँ खरीदारी कर रही है. Where Mary is shopping. Where Mary is shopping. Mary कहाँ खरीदारी कर रही है. Where Mary is shopping. Mary कहाँ खरीदारी कर रही है. Where Mary is shopping. Where Mary is shopping. Mary कहाँ खरीदारी कर रही है. Where Mary is shopping. And possible answer may be Mary is shopping at a mall. 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 Mary is shopping at a departmental store. Mary is shopping at a departmental store. Mary is shopping at a departmental store. Let's see the next phrase. Next one is where Alia is chatting. 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 आलिया कहाँ बातें कर रही है. Where Alia is chatting. आलिया कहाँ बातें कर रही है. Where Alia is chatting. Where Alia is chatting. आलिया कहाँ बातें कर रही है. Where Alia is chatting. आलिया कहाँ बातें कर रही है. Alia is chatting to her friends. Alia is chatting with 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 her friends. आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज where Faisal is looking. Where Faisal is looking. Where Faisal is looking. Where Faisal is looking. फैसल कहाँ देख रहा है. Where Faisal is looking. Where Faisal is looking. फैसल कहाँ देख रहा है. Where Faisal is looking. फैसल कहाँ देख रहा है. Where Faisal is looking. फैसल कहाँ देख रहा है. Where Faisal is looking. Where Faisal is looking. फैसल कहाँ देख रहा है. Faisal is looking at stars. Faisal is looking at stars. Faisal is looking at stars. फैसल सितारों पर देख रहा है. Faisal is looking at stars. फैसल सितारों को देख रहा है. Faisal is looking at stars. फैसल सितारों पर देख रहा है. Faisal is looking at stars. फैसल सितारों पर देख रहा है. Guys, girls, my students, very interesting phrases. Let's repeat them again. आइए इन्हें एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं. First one is where Jimmy is studying. Where Jimmy is studying. Where Jimmy is studying. Where Jimmy is studying. Jimmy कहाँ मुतालिया कर रहा है. Where Jimmy is studying. Jimmy कहाँ मुतालिया कर रहा है. Where Jimmy is studying. Where Jimmy is studying. Jimmy कहाँ मुतालिया कर रहा है. And next one is where Annie is drilling. Where Annie is drilling. Where Annie is drilling. Where Annie is drilling. Annie कहाँ वर्जिश कर रही है. Where Annie is drilling. Annie कहाँ वर्जिश कर रही है. Where Annie is drilling. Annie कहाँ वर्जिश कर रही है. And next is where Naila is hiding. Where Naila is hiding. Where Naila is hiding. Naila कहाँ छुप रही है. Where Naila is hiding. Where Naila is hiding. Naila कहाँ छुप रही है. Where Naila is hiding. Naila कहाँ छुप रही है. Where Naila is hiding. Naila कहाँ छुप रही है. And next is where Kelly is singing. Where Kelly is singing. Where Kelly is singing. Where Kelly is singing. Kelly कहाँ गाना गा रही है. Where Kelly is singing. Where Kelly is singing. Kelly कहाँ गाना गा रही है. Where Kelly is singing. Where Kelly is singing. Kelly कहाँ गाना गा रही है. And next one is where Mary is shopping. Where Mary is shopping. Where Mary is shopping. Where Mary is shopping. Mary कहाँ खरीदारी कर रही है? Where Mary is shopping. Where Mary is shopping. Mary कहाँ खरीदारी कर रही है? Where Mary is shopping. Where Mary is shopping. Mary कहाँ खरीदारी कर रही है? And next is where Alia is chatting. 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 Alia कहाँ बातें कर रही है? Where Alia is chatting. Where Alia is chatting. Alia कहाँ बातें कर रही है? Where Alia is chatting. Alia कहाँ बातें कर रही है? And last one is where Faisal is looking. 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 Faisal कहाँ देख रहा है? Where Faisal is looking. Faisal कहाँ देख रहा है? Hey you guys, these are very interesting phrases. Memorize these phrases and memorize these phrases and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave your comments. I'll see you again. I'll see you again, guys. And my students, goodbye. Goodbye.